Let's talk about some different ways you might classify angles in geometry. Again, like and subscribe for more math help. First way that I'm going to talk about is an acute versus obtuse angle. An acute angle is one that is less than 90 degrees, and an obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. So let me draw a picture. An acute angle is something that would look like this, smaller than 90. An obtuse is one that would look like this. Let me put some things, these measurements. So acute, smaller than 90, obtuse, bigger than 90. Complementary versus supplementary angles. So complementary angles are two angles that add up. I'm just going to put little boxes here. They add up to be 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to be 180 degrees. So an easy maybe example to draw here would be if I have this and I say, well, that's a right angle right there. Then this angle right here in the middle, these two, they would add up to be 90 degrees because those two angles add up. They make up that whole right angle. Whereas with a supplementary, I'm going to draw a line here. A line is 180 degrees. So if I put a ray in here like that, these two, this one and then this one, those add up to 180 degrees. Now, supplementary versus a linear pair, what I actually drew right here for this supplementary example right here, this is actually a linear pair, those two angles. I'm going to draw a little arrow down. That is a linear pair. Supplementary doesn't have to be on a line. Like I could draw a picture like this. I could say, well, this angle is 50 degrees right here, 50. And this angle over here is 130 degrees. Well, they add up to 180, but you see they are not aligned together. And that's the difference. A linear pair means they lie on the same line. They've got this vertex coming off the line that makes up those two angles. Supplementary are just any two that add up to 180. And our last way of classifying a linear pair, again, if I were to draw this, that two lines that intersect each other, this and this angle, I'm going to number them. Angle 1 and angle 2 make up a linear pair. Okay? Angle 1, angle 2 make up a linear pair. Vertical angles are angles that are across the intersection from one another. So for example, if I said, let me put a 4 here, let me do 3 here. Angle 1 and 3 are vertical, a vertical pair, and also angle 2 and angle 4, because they are across the vertex from each other. So 1 and 3 and 2 and 4 are vertical pairs. We could also list more linear pairs here. For example, angle 2 and 3 are linear pairs. Angle 3 and angle 4 are linear pair, and angle 1 and angle 4, because all of them are on the same side of the line. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and 1 and 4. Okay, so are they on the same side of the line making up 180, or are they across from each other? Now, looking ahead to some solving, linear pairs, I'm just going to put the whatever the two of them are, they add up to 180, they're supplementary, where vertical angles, whatever those are equal to each other.